How to create an account in Amazon Shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a complete new account. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Here, you can directly sign in or create an account. Here, simply tap on create an account. Here, you must fill up all this information. So here, I'm filling up all this information. Now we can even add a password. So here, I've added a password. Now simply tap on verify email. So email will be sent in your inbox and you must verify it. So after you do that, it will automatically generate a security code and you will be authenticated to log in. So simply enter the login code here and you'll be new or you'll have a new account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.